Water resistant paper. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. That's right, I'm going to show you today how to make water resistant paper. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Thank you all so much for supporting me in so many different ways. Those of you who leave positive and supportive comments, thank you. Those of you who go out and answer the comments of others, thank you so much. My cheerleaders for the channel, thank you. I truly, truly appreciate it. Water and paper definitely don't go together. But today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make water resistant paper. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera. We're going to do this really quickly, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. All right, so what I have here are two pieces of plain cardstock. I really do like the autumn look of this, so I decided I would go with it. I have run this through my Xyron sticker maker to put the adhesive on the back. Now, you don't have to have a Xyron sticker maker to be able to add adhesive on the back of anything. You can add adhesive using wide tape. You can add adhesive using double-sided adhesive sheets. I've used these on the channel before. I've shared these on the channel before. I will have them linked in the description box below. There are many ways that you can get adhesive on the back of paper. Just because I'm using a Xyron sticker maker doesn't mean that you have to use the Xyron sticker maker. I use the sticker maker because it's convenient for me, but if I didn't have a sticker maker, I would use one of the things that I just shared with you. I would probably use the large double-sided adhesive sheets, because what I ultimately want is just to get adhesive on the back of my paper. How we get that adhesive on there might be different from crafter to crafter, but we want the adhesive on the back of the paper because we're going to take one of these tablecloths. This one is from the seasonal collection at Dollar Tree, but these cheapo plastic tablecloths can be found everywhere. So all I'm going to do, y'all, is I want to use this tablecloth to make some paper. And I think it's going to be a very beautiful paper that we're going to be able to make. And that is the key to being able to make water resistant paper. We are going to use a water resistant tablecloth. So I'm just going to take my scissors because I think I can probably get through here easier with the scissors. So now I have my two pieces, and y'all, this is really going to be very simple. So I am just going to peel away my backer sheet like this. And the sticky is very sticky. So I'm going to take this and I'm pulling that plastic tablecloth, sort of stretching it, and I'll put that piece down. Then I'm going to smooth out and just start placing this down like that. Then I'll take my big old spatula, and just like we do with our napkins, I'm just going to smooth out some of these wrinkles. I might not get all of them, and y'all, that'll be more than okay with me. Then I'll bring in this piece. I am just going to remove this backer. We'll take this piece. We're going to place it down like this. I'll stretch it as much as I can, and we'll place it down. Then I'll flip it over, and I'll just use my big old spatula to go in and get out as many wrinkles as I can, but I'm not going to stress over the wrinkles. That will remain just like those wrinkles that are on my face. Can't stress over them. So now I'm just going to take my finger blade and we're just going to go around and cut out the excess. And so now we have two pieces of beautiful water resistant paper. Now the other side isn't covered, so if it gets wet, then you're going to have the normal things that happen when paper gets wet. But we have this beautiful plastic covering on the outside using a decorative tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. Don't have to get yours from the Dollar Tree. As long as it's one of those cheapo plastic tablecloths, you can get the same effect. You can get your own water resistant paper. So no matter where you are on planet Earth, look for those cheap plastic tablecloths that you see people using a lot. This one just happens to be a very beautiful one that we can now take and use in paper crafting to create something absolutely fabulous. We can make a very beautiful bag with this. As a matter of fact, let's just do that, because I just want you to see how beautiful this is when used in your paper crafting. So my paper is 11 by 11. I'm going to score at 2 inches here, 2 inches across the bottom, 2 inches this way, and then I'll do the same thing here. So I'm going to score 2 inches, two inches, and 2 inches. Then I'm just going to fold and burnish all of my scores. All right, so let's take one of our pieces and we're going to remove these corner pieces all together. So I am just going to go up to the score mark, cut out, and cut out. Go to the score mark and cut to remove the corner pieces here. Then we're going to bring in the second one. We're not going to remove the corner pieces. We're simply going to go to the score mark and we cut straight across. Cut straight across here. And then we're going to angle cut, just a slight angle. So your pieces are going to look like this. I am going to go ahead and just bring in my oval hole punch, because that is how we're going to create our handle. I am just going to punch out a hole like that. And then I'll join these two together. And we'll just match it. And punch out our second hole. So now we have a handle to be able to carry our bag. So now we're just going to take these two pieces and join them together right here. And I will be using tape. Now I normally don't use tape when I'm putting together a bag, but we are going to use tape on this one because we have that plastic resist that might not take too well to my Reptile adhesive. So I'm going to peel this away, add some more tape. Peel that away. And now we're going to take these two pieces and we're simply going to join them together. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this. I'm not going to get a chance to recover the way I would with my glue. So I'm just going to take that and put it right there. So now we're going to take these sides and we'll glue them together. So I'm going to take some tape. I'm going to put our tape and then I'm going to take my scissors because I do want to have just a little angle here. That's just a little preference that I have sometimes when I'm making a bag like this. When I fold up and over, it gives me that little angled look right there at the bottom. You really don't have to do that if you don't want, but I just think it's kind of cute. So I am going to trim this just a little bit. I'll add just a little bit of tape there and a little bit of tape there. So now we're going to take this piece and we just stick it to that inside tab like that. We'll do the same thing over here. We just stick it to that inside tab. And then we're going to take this piece. Now let's remove the tape backer. And we're going to take it, and you want to make sure that you have the tops matching. So I'm just going to put it like that. And then I'll fold over to get that top matching. And then we'll do the same thing over here. So let's get the top to match. Get that nice and tucked. So now we have a sweet little water resistant bag that we can take, pinch in those sides. And y'all, there we have a beautiful bag with the water resistant outside. The inside is still paper, so it's not water resistant, but the outside was made using the water resistant paper that we just made. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy way that you too can make water resistant paper using a tablecloth, a plastic tablecloth. If you have enjoyed this video, and I certainly hope that you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, all day, every day, this is what we do, and this is how we do it. I'd love to have you subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload a new video. As always, my friends, y'all, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.